Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. When dry hopping with 8 grams per liter, you get the optimal effect compared to the amount of dry hops you actually put in your beer. But how much can you actually go above that and still have a great effect? I recommend you to read Scott Jansen's book, The New IPA. In that book, you'll read that the Dryhop Amount is very effective up to about 8 grams per liter, and then the curve actually flattens to about 16 grams per liter, and after that you won't see any real effect. I know that Treehouse, they dry hop with about 12 grams per liter. A lot of other American breweries and also some Danish, English breweries that are really hop forward brewery are playing around with dry hopping with about 20 grams per liter. So of course you should do that too. If you do that, you have to double or triple dry hop. I would recommend you to add cryo hops also, just to get less vegetal matter in your beer, because it will extract a lot of polyphenols that will create hop burn. So if you play around with adding a huge hop load, do not dry hop for more than 24 to 28 hours. Use cryo hops. Oh, it smells amazing. And play around with it. From 8 to 16 grams per liter, there's a tiny difference. From 4 to 8 grams per liter, there's a huge difference. So 8 is about the optimal dry hop amount compared to the weight of the hops. Up to 16, if this is 4, this is 8, and here is 16, the curve will actually go like this. And then 20, there's a little bit of difference, but hey, maybe that's the small difference you need to make an incredible IPA. Yeah, just like there's a lot of them: Sapwood Cellars, Monkish, Verdant, Bad Seed from Denmark. There's so many of these great hop forward specialists, I would call them, because it takes a lot of technique. You have to really dial in your dry hop to make this great. If you just get a few ppm of oxygen in a beer with 20 grams per liter of dry hop, it will be totally ruined. So really be really sharp on not adding any oxygen at all. Yeah, but play around with it. If you have any questions, write to me. Read Scott Jansen's book, The New IPA, and then just have a happy brewing out there.